Welcome to Pragakalp Tech Labs. Here's a quick demo of how we automate invoice processing using n8n and AI. So here's the workflow. From here, we can choose inactive or active state. In active state, the workflow regularly checks Gmail for events. And in inactive state, we need to execute the workflow manually. So I'll keep it inactive for now. Now, coming to Gmail, I'm composing an email with the invoice attached. Now I'll send the email. Here is the Slack channel where we get messages when the invoice is triggered. And in this sheet, we'll get the extracted data from the invoice. And this is the invoice I attached in the email. Now I'm executing the workflow from here. So here, the workflow executed successfully. Let's check the results. Here we got the message in the Slack channel. And in this sheet, we got the extracted invoice details like vendor name, vendor address, and more. Now check the invoice total. Perfect. This completes the process: invoice received, data extracted, alert sent. All automated using n8n. That's how we streamline invoice workflows with smart automation. Thanks for watching.